Hello, we are going to go through how to add terms and conditions to a template. Let's open a template that we want to add our terms and conditions to. For example, let's open this quote. Add a new page by clicking Add Page in the top left. Now find text at the top and drag it onto the page that you have created. Expand the text box with the dots and then double click into it. Now paste your terms and conditions in here and click OK. And then save the template. Now let's test it. Let's open this quote, click Print and find our template. Let's click the next page and you can now see your terms and conditions.